Hey ladies, are you ready to level up? We all want to become the best versions of ourselves, but sometimes we don't know where to start. It's a journey, not a sprint. Today, we are sharing 5 simple tips to help you transform your life and glow up inside and out. Tip number 1, prioritize your mental health. In today's busy world, it is easy to forget about yourself. You need to fill your own cup first before you can give to others. Start with just 5 minutes of mindfulness, journaling, or quiet meditation every morning. This small change sets a positive tone for your entire day and helps you build emotional resilience. Moving on to tip number 2, fuel your body and mind. Hydration is essential for energy. Eat balanced, colorful meals that give you lasting vitality. Find a movement that brings you joy, not a punishment. Whether it's yoga, running, or dancing, keep it fun. Next up, tip number 3, invest in your mind and your time. Commit to continuous learning. Read inspiring books, listen to podcasts, or learn a new skill that excites you. But learning also means knowing when to stop. Set strong boundaries. Learn the power of saying a polite but firm no to things that drain you. This frees up space for things that truly matter. You are not selfish for prioritizing your energy. All right, let's dive into tip number 4, which is all about transformation through action. Don't just dream, set clear goals and act. Wishing for a better life is a great starting point, but dreams without direction are just wishes. To become that best version, you need structure. Write down your intentions. Define what success looks like for you in your career, health, relationships, and personal growth. Be specific. Getting fit is too vague. Walking for 30 minutes 3 times a week is a solid, actionable plan. Large goals can feel overwhelming, like looking at the base of a giant mountain. Don't let that stop you. The secret is decomposition. Break every daunting aspiration into tiny, manageable steps you can start today. Every journey begins with that first small action. Focus on the single step directly in front of you, not the entire climb. Consistency is your real superpower. Taking small actions repeatedly builds unstoppable momentum. It's the daily discipline that transforms. Along the way, acknowledge your progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how tiny. Checking off a task, finishing a workout, making that difficult call, they all count. Positive reinforcement is essential to keep your motivation high when things get difficult. The biggest failure isn't aiming high and missing. The biggest failure is never attempting the climb. Embrace the journey of consistent growth. You are capable of amazing things. Last but certainly not least, tip number 5. Cultivate an unshakable foundation of self-love and gratitude. In a world full of digital filters and perfectly curated lives, it is so incredibly easy to fall into the trap of comparison. We often see everyone else's highlight reels and compare them to our own behind-the-scenes struggles. But you must stop. Your journey is unique, and your only real competition is the person you were yesterday. No one else has your specific path. Treat yourself with the same kindness, patience, and compassion you would so freely offer to a best friend. Forgive your mistakes. They are not failures. They are simply lessons that help you grow stronger and wiser. Every single evening, take a moment to identify 3 things you are genuinely grateful for. It could be a warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a stranger, or simply the fact that you showed up for yourself today. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is missing in your life to the incredible abundance that is already present. Remember, becoming the best version of yourself isn't about reaching a final perfect destination. It's about falling in love with the daily process of growing, learning, and evolving into who you are meant to be. You are already enough, exactly as you are, right here and right now. Believe in your own light. Keep moving forward. Stay consistent with these 5 steps and watch your entire world transform. You've got this.